We had beautiful conditions today with high temperatures into the lower 50s. Record-breaking type conditions today. Beautiful sunset tonight as well from our Lucianato camera from today. The cloud cover, we had some high-level clouds late tonight, which really enhanced our sunset tonight. You can see the clouds starting to move in there in our picture frame there from our Lucianato live camera. Beautiful sunset tonight. Thanks for sending in all those sunset photos this evening to weather@kttc.com. Those high temperatures from today, everyone getting into the lower 50s, that 52-degree mark at the Rochester International Airport tied our previous record of 52 degrees for today's date, set back in 1918. Outside, we still have some pretty quiet conditions on that Lucianato live camera. Temperatures right at 34 degrees. Many of us sitting in those mid to lower 30s tonight. It will stay lower 30s. Winds will be light out of the south to the south-southwest tonight, anywhere from calm to upwards of 5 miles per hour. We're filtering in a little bit of cloud cover. It will help temperatures slightly tonight. Mainly the driving force for the warm temperatures again tonight and tomorrow will be the southerly winds. Eventually, we might miss out on a lot of the snowfall with this weather maker that will move across the upper Midwest, but it will bring in some cooler and even drier air coming up next week. So temperatures you'll see in the 7-day forecast completely different next week compared to what we've been dealing with this week. Strong southerly winds tomorrow morning. Temperatures start out on future track right around 35, 36 degrees. By the late lunch hour, 1, 2, 3 o'clock, we'll have high temperatures warming into the upper 40s, approaching 50 degrees again for tomorrow. Cold front moves through. Notice the winds out of the south. We have warm temperatures out of the north, a little bit cooler to the west of I-35. Temperatures then drop quickly throughout the evening. We increase that cloud cover with a northerly breeze. As we move towards Friday, eventually we start to see some precipitation early Friday morning near Davenport for the Quad Cities. Watch as we move through the afternoon. A lot of the snowfall staying just to the south and southeast of the KTTC viewing area. So Waterloo through Davenport, eventually into Madison, Wisconsin. That's kind of the line that the snow will ride through the Saturday afternoon. We miss out on the bulk of the snowfall accumulations, it appears, as we move through Saturday. Right now we have about a 10 to 15% chance, so we kind of leave that in for a little wiggle room just in case if this low pressure takes a slightly northerly track. But right now, most model guidance keeping the heavier snow bands well to the south and southeast, closer to I-80 instead of the I-90 region. So weather headlines then: mild and sunny conditions likely for tomorrow, so no snow on the way tomorrow. With that southerly track that the low continues to take, that keeps snowfall amounts pretty minor as we move through the weekend. So since we're missing out on the bulk of this snow from this snowstorm, our white Christmas tracker bumping it down even more, about a 25% chance of seeing a white Christmas, meaning at least 1 inch of snowfall on the ground. Historically speaking, 75% chance. The last time we haven't had a white Christmas at the Rochester International Airport, so across the region here, all the way back in 2011. So we are kind of due to potentially see a brown Christmas. As we look at temperatures tonight, 30 degrees for the overnight low, 47 coming up for the high tomorrow. Partly sunny skies as we take a look at the 7-day forecast. Temperatures, like I said, next week a lot different. Lower 30s through Monday, maybe even lower 20s by Wednesday. Caitlin.
Gonna feel